Here, just waiting on you.
Copy that, Jackal. We are driving the bus to our very first campground to sleep in it for the first time. So he just pulled over because this is the first time we're driving with the water tanks mounted, the solar panels on top, the deck on top, and it's a little nerve-wracking. But everything looks good. I think he did a really good job. We worked it out together. He's just understandably nervous. So it has been the most stressful week of the entire build. And the reason being, just a lot of general anxiety, of course. But also, we kind of saved all of the hardest parts because we were intimidated by those parts for last. And so automatically we backed ourselves into that corner. Okay, we've got...
Just letting you know my battery's low on the walkie.
Gotcha. By saving all the hard parts for last, that obviously means we have all the hard parts to get through. And it's just, poor Zach, like, it's been really tough on him because those kind of things kind of fell to him because I just think he's better at those kind of things. And it's a lot of pressure because it's important and it needs... What? This is really nerve-wracking. I'm just following him and trying to watch all of the things on the bus. But we over-engineered everything, I will say that, because of our fear. We didn't half-ass anything. Like, we whole-assed it. And everything's looking good right now, but I can't shake this nervous feeling. Zach keeps calling me and walkie-talkieing me, asking, does that look okay? Did that look okay? Like every time we go over a bridge, a bump, a railroad track. But so far, so good. And I'm following too because I know what to look for. Nothing's going to happen. I know that. But I'm glad. It's actually a good reason I think to drive separately is because I can keep an eye on things like this. But it looks good. It looks good. I'm just nervous. It's gonna feel so good when we park and we open up a beer and we relax and just actually, we were talking about it today, like every time we're in the bus, almost, it's to work on the bus. And it's really exciting that we're finally gonna get to be in the bus for leisure. So, here goes nothing.
Alright guys, so we made it. It is August 16th. No. 16th now?
16th.
Yeah.
We got here last night.
We got here last night, August 15th, so we met our deadline to go camping.
But barely.
Barely. Like, I literally finished plumbing the gray tank
At like 5 p.m.
30 minutes before we left. So yeah, we...
Which was sketchy because that obviously means that was the first time we were driving with stuff mounted under the bus.
And the first time driving with solar panels. And the deck.
Deck, yeah.
So I was...
Triple whammy.
It was tough for me. Like, I've been really stressed out over the past, I don't know, 3 weeks. Sort of just dreading a few of these things that we're having to do.
And the last thing I wanted, and unfortunately these jobs kind of fell to you.
Which is fine. It really is okay. It's just I didn't know how to do them, so I had to figure out how to do them. And
the last thing I wanted was for you to feel rushed doing these important jobs. These jobs that aren't, like, we saved these for the last thing because they intimidated us.
That's true.
Because there's the most at stake with these kinds of...
But you had a good point yesterday. We were talking and Tiffany said that, by setting a deadline, they sort of forced our hand to make a few decisions. And I think it did that. And I think we made it because of that. We were able to do so. Since we last talked, we hung the gray tanks, we plumbed the gray tanks, we added solar panels, we added a deck. We also added all of our Wi-Fi booster and our LTE booster. And
we also drained, which is part of the plumbing, but we also drained the bathtub.
Oh yeah, we put a drain in the bathtub. I still need to seal it with some plumber's putty, but it's in and plumbed. So when we turn it on, it will drain. I just need to make sure it doesn't have any leaks.
Exactly. So as of right now, we pretty much have a fully functional off-grid tiny house.
Yeah,
which
it's
is really
super
exciting.
And we are here at Carter Lake in Colorado, just a little north of Longmont. And it has already been really, really phenomenal.
Yeah.
It's been pretty incredible.
We chose something close by so we don't have to drive very far, while we're still feeling green.
But otherwise, things have been great. We've been using the faucet. The plumbing has been working. We don't have any leaks.
Every
knock on wood.
time we go in there, and I don't know, I filled the dog's water bowl for the first time with our sink. It was like magic to me.
Tiffany's been smiling ear to ear
I've just
this
been
entire time.
Losing my mind. We used the composting toilet, didn't we?
Yep, that was exciting.
Just number one.
This is a great area. It's beautiful. We took the dogs out to go swimming a little bit, and they absolutely loved it. You can see right now they're
chill as cucumbers.
Tired. Chill as cucumbers.
I always
calm as cucumber.
I always get
calm
phrases
as
wrong.
a cucumber. Come on, Tiff.
Sorry.
Things are going really well. We need to install the wood stove.
We cooked in the bus. We've cooked in the bus twice. We roasted wieners out here last night.
Yep. It's not a euphemism.
We didn't. And that was the first time we've slept in the bus. We didn't film last night because we were so stressed and we just needed some time.
Just needed to decompress. Tiffany was good. I was like.
Well, I was maybe in a better place than you, but I was on edge too, and we needed that time. But we're gonna film. We're gonna take you along for the day and show you what it's like to be in the bus for the first trip.
First time.
Thanks for watching.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it.
Your hat's in the way.
I love this. Don't make me take it off.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Bye.
Bye, guys. Alright. Here we go. I think this is probably good.
Yeah, I think it's probably good, Zach. Test this one.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Check it, check.